League of Legends, LoL, Esports is the competitive scene for the popular multiplayer online battle arena, NOBA, game League of Legends. It is a collection of professional teams and players who compete in various leagues and tournaments around the world, with the goal of becoming the best team in the world. History: League of Legends Esports is the professional competition of the multiplayer online battle arena video game League of Legends. It is developed and published by Riot Games and was first released in 2009. Professional tournaments began in 2011 with the Season 1 World Championship at DreamHack in Jönköping, Sweden. The latest major tournament was the 2022 League of Legends World Championship. Tournaments: League of Legends is one of the largest esports with various annual tournaments taking place worldwide. In terms of esports professional gaming as of June 2016, League of Legends has had $29,203,916 USD in prize money, 4,083 players, and 1,718 tournaments, compared to Dota 2's US $64,397,286 of prize money, 1,495 players, and 613 tournaments. World Championship: The Season 1 World Championship was held at DreamHack in Sweden in June 2011 and had $100,000 in prizes. The European team Fnatic defeated teams from Europe, the US, and Southeast Asia to win the tournament and received $50,000 in prize money. Over 1.6 million viewers watched the streamed broadcast of the event, with a peak of over 210,000 simultaneous viewers in one semi-final match. After Season 1, Riot announced that $5 million would be paid out over Season 2. Of this amount, $2 million was to go to Riot's partners, including the IPL and other major esports associations. Another $2 million was to go to Riot's Season 2 qualifiers and championship. The final $1 million was to go to small organizers who apply to Riot to host League of Legends tournaments. After a series of network issues during the Season 2 World Playoffs that led to several matches being delayed, Riot revealed on October 13, 2012, that a special LAN-based client had been quickly developed, designed for use in tournament environments where the effects of lag and other network issues can be detrimental to the proper organization of an event. The LAN client was deployed for the first time during the first quarter-final and semi-final matches played following the rescheduled matches, and was in use during the finals. The 2017 tournament, hosted in China, also grew a considerable prize pool of roughly $5 million. Riot once again in 2017 decided to take profits from skin sales to increase the prize pool. The initial pool was $2 million and $250,000, however. Championship Ash: The new championship skin for 2017 sold well. 25% of Championship Ash and Ward sales allowed the prize pool to grow. Championship Series: On February 7, 2013, Riot Games created the League of Legends Championship Series, LCS, in Europe and North America. This is a league system where 10 teams compete. A season consists of 2 splits, with each split separated into a regular season and playoffs. Regional Leagues: In late 2018, the European League of Legends Championship Series, LCS, was renamed to the League of Legends European Championship, LEC. The North American League of Legends Championship Series, LCS, also dropped North American from its name and was renamed to simply the League Championship Series ahead of the 2021 season. Best Gameplay Moments: The League of Legends World Championship stage has showcased some of the best out-of-this-world plays in the MOBA scene. DWG KIA Canyons Golden Kick, Worlds 2021. To help his teammates secure the Baron Nashor and the game, DWG KIA star player Kim Canyon Junbu performed an impressive Lee Sin kick during Game 3 of their best-of-5 series against Edward Gaming in the Worlds 2021 final. Sunings Ben scored the first-ever pentakill in Worlds final history. Worlds 2020. Suning top laner Chen Bin Bin popped off during Worlds 2020 by breaking records and scoring the first-ever pentakill in tournament history. During Game 2 of their best-of-5 series against Dam1 Gaming, Bin's Fiora took down the LCK representatives one by one. The clash forced Dam1 to slowly retreat back to their base, where Bin achieved a pentakill. Origen xPeke's Orianna 4-man Shockwave, Worlds 2015. The oldest entry on this list dates back to World Championship 2015, when summoners witnessed the rise of Spanish player Enrique xPeke Cedeno Martinez. During Origen's match against LGD Gaming, xPeke landed a 4-man Shockwave using one of his favorite champions, Orianna. This was set up with the help of Jesper Niels' Svenningsen's Kalista Ultimate, which knocked up 3 of LGD's members. ROX Tigers Smeb's Kennen Ultimate, Worlds 2016. With power players like Smeb, ROX Tigers climbed their way through World Championship and became the underdog favorites. In this gameplay moment, Smeb's Kennen delivered the most beautiful 4-man slicing maelstrom we have ever seen, which deleted G2 Esports Kim Trick Gang Yun, Luca Perks Perkovic, and Alfonso Mithi Aguirre Rodriguez in one blow. Prey picked off the remaining G2 members and scored an ace. Tips on how to get better. Polish your laning phase, stay mindful during teamfights, continuously practice your mechanics. Rethink your decisions. Prioritize objectives. Playing tournaments with repeat. Where to learn more? You can visit LOL Esports website to learn more about, or you can watch YouTube guide videos to improve your skills and knowledge. Alright, that's the end of today's video. Thanks for watching.